अस्तु उमा भगिनी कृपया प्रार्थना श्लोकं पठतु।
आं महोदय। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सह नववतु सह नौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
अस्तु धन्यवादः भगिनी। अस्तु in the last class you read about Chaturthi Bhakti Pullinge Napumsaklinge. We will continue the same today but with Strilinge. So today as well we will learn about Chaturthi Bhakti, but we will go through Strilinga and then we will do Abhyasa from Bhasa Pravesa book. Uh, anyone has any doubt from previous class? Any question? Any sansay? Kopi sansay asti va? Any doubt asti? संशय नास्ति? अस्तु तर्हि वयम् अग्रे चलामः। साक्षी भगिनी पठतु।
महोदय। चतुर्थी विभक्ति दान क्रिया दाने चतुर्थी या दानं स्वीकरोति तस्याः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भवति।
अर्थः किं भगिनी वदतु।
या दानं that which receives the dan, that is called Chaturthi Vibhakti. That will be Chaturthi. That will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
अस्तु पश्यतु या अस्ति या is indicative pronoun स्त्रीलिंग and it is स्त्रीलिंग या तस्याः. So this shows that we are learning about for स्त्रीलिंग. Otherwise it will be yah bhavati. पुल्लिंगे यह नपुंसकलिंगे यत्. But since we are learning about Strilinga, ya danam svikaroti tasya chaturthi bhakti bhavati. So the Strilinga, not the movement. See, in Sanskrit, it is a name which is Strilinga and Pullinga, not the object.
Pullinga. Correct.
So an object has a name, not the name has as a linga, not the object itself.
Object itself.
आगे पढ़ो।
Recipient of Dan Kriya will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. The same thing. Danikaha Bhikshukyai Dhanam Dadati. So, Danikaha, the rich man, gives Dan to the Bhikshu.
Lady beggar.
So, lady beggar. Bhikshukaha, Bhikshu. So the Bhikshu is the receiver of the Dan. So that will be Bhikshuki. Bhikshuki. Okay. So that's why that's in Bhikshukyai.
Bhikshukyai. It's like Nadi. Nadyai.
Nadyai.
Like Nadyai. Bhikshukyai. अस्तु अग्रे पठतु।
पुत्रः जनन्यै पुष्पं यच्छति. The son gives flowers to mother.
Gives flowers to mother. बहुत सुंदर।
जनन्यै पुष्पं यच्छति. अहं छात्रायै पुस्तकं ददामि. I give book to student.
लेडी गर्ल स्टूडेंट,
गर्ल
छात्रायै।
स्टूडेंट, छात्रये,
हाँ,
छात्रायै,
छात्रायै। बहुत सम्यक्।
छात्रायै।
स्वप्ना भगिनी पठतु।
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः रूपाणि धनिकः भिक्षुकीभ्यः धनं ददाति। भिक्षुक्यै भिक्षुकीभ्यः, नद्यै नदीभ्यः, मतये मतिभ्यः।
ईकारान्, तो प्रथम अस्ति ईकारान्, मति भवति ईकारान्, मति बुद्धि, ईकारान् ह्रस्वै।
ह्रस्वै।
तो मतये मतिभ्यः।
Right?
हाँ, अग्रे गच्छतु।
Okay. धेनवे धेनुभ्यः। This is ukarant.
हाँ, उकारान्। But I think I
Dhenve, right? It is dhenve, no? No, dhenave.
हाँ, धेनवे। हाँ,
पूरा ना है।
हाँ, धेनवे पुराना। So basically धेनवे।
नहीं, oh, okay. There is the both. Dhenvai is there. Dhenave.
हाँ, दो अपि।
Dhenvai. Okay. Dhenave अथवा धेनवै। धेनुभ्यः। छात्रायै छात्राभ्यः।
आकारान्।
मातृ ऋकारान्त। मात्रे मातृभ्यः।
ऋकारान्।
तस्यै ताभ्यः। एतस्यै एताभ्यः। कस्यै काभ्यः।
अस्तु। So these are the basically different endings that we knew the form already. We have practiced in the previous classes, in the last class as well. You must have gone through. Just a revision to refresh your memory. अस्तु, अग्रे चलामः। फणिराज महोदय, भवान् पठतु।
The same screen. Okay, now it is come. चतुर्थी विभक्तिः प्रश्नवाचकः किमर्थं समाधानं चतुर्थी विभक्तिः. The word denoting the purpose.
Basically, चतुर्थी विभक्ति answer the question किमर्थं, what for, why do, what for you study, what for you eat, what for you do things. So whenever this question comes, किमर्थं, what for, the answer will be चतुर्थी विभक्ति. पठतु।
लेखकः कीर्तये लेखं लिखति. लेखकः कीर्तये लेखं लिखति. Means the writer writes for kirta means recognition.
Fame.
अस्तु.
शब्दार्थ कीर्ति.
Absolutely. कीर्ति अर्थम अपि सम्यक्. किमर्थं समाधानं.
So basically, so what happens many times we don't remember the form. Chaturthi Bhakti. So there is shortcut in Sanskrit called Artham. So you don't remember the actual form, you just add Artham to answer the question. So if you don't remember the Chaturthi Bhakti Ek Rupam, you can say Lekaka Kirti Artham Lekham Likhati. It's a shortcut. अस्तु, अग्रिमं पठतु महोदय।
विद्यार्थिनः गुरुदक्षिणायै धनं सम्पादयन्ति. विद्यार्थिनः
Students.
So this is pulling vidyarthi.
हाँ महोदय, विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनो विद्यार्थिनः नकारान्त.
Vidyarthina. Astu. Thank you. Vidyarthina means the boy students earn or collect money for Guru Dakshina. For Guru Dakshina or Guru Dakshinartham.
Or Guru Dakshinartham. So if you don't remember the Chaturthi Bhakti, you can use the shortcut Guru Dakshinartham.
Wonderful. Bhikshukah bhikshayai brahmanam karoti. Bhikshukah, the beggar, keeps roaming about for what is that kind of?
For alms or beg. For alms.
Bhikshayai. For alms. For alms. Bhikshartam or Bhikshayai. Okay. Balakah vidyayai gurukulam gacchati. The boy goes to the gurukulam for education, for learning. So vidyayai or vidyartham.
कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति, प्रश्नः अस्ति, कस्यापि प्रश्नः अस्ति?
I got doubt in this vidyardhinaha. Vidyardhi is like nadi, nadyo, nadyaha.
No, it's not like Nadi Mohoday. Vidyarthi is Nakaran. Vidyarthi is like Bhavan.
Acha, okay.
Even not Bhavan, it has separate form. It's Nakaran. It's like Vidyarthina, Vidyarthi, Vidyarthino, Vidyarthinah. Evam chalati.
It's something like Rajana?
Rajan, Rajan, like Rajan, Satyam Bhava. Raja, not like Rajan as well. Raja, it goes like Raja, Rajano, Rajanah.
Will it be like Pakshinaha?
Pakshina.
I think something like Pita. Pita also has a ending of Pita.
No. Pita is a Vikarant. This is Nakarant. So
no, but the plural of Pita.
So what is the difference between Vidyarthi and Vidyarthinaha?
No, Vidyarthi is singular. Vidyarthin is plural.
In the last class, we said Vidyarjanaya, and now here.
Did we? No, it won't be with the. No. Here we are not. So here, the Chaturthi is
here
for
Vidyayai. What's the difference between this?
So
Vidyarjanaya.
So Vidyarjana is Pullinga, and Vidyarjana means to earn knowledge. Is just saying different thing.
Yeah,
Vidyarjana.
Okay.
Here I said you're going college for knowledge, and last class we said we go to college to learn knowledge. They essentially same meaning, just that Vidyarjan is a Pullinga and Vidya is Strilinga. So we wanted to show the use of Chaturthi for Vidya. Hence we removed the Arjan part. Just the Linga is different.
Okay.
Astu. अन्य कोऽपि सन्देहः संशयः नास्ति? अस्तु. वासराज भवान् पठतु.
आं महोदय. ऐश्वर्यं चतुर्थी विभक्ति रूपान्तरणं रूपस्य अन्तरणं रूपान्तरणं, right? रूपस्य अन्तरणं रूपान्तरणं. Okay, the word denoting transformation, रूपान्तरणं from मूला swarupam or moola bhavana into another would be chaturthi vibhaktihi. So the word transforming the original to another word.
Something
So
else.
yeah, something else.
Hmm.
So
basically, this is what we are looking at is Upapadi Bhakti. So all these
Upapadi
are
Vibhakti.
yeah.
Kalpate, Jayate, Bhavati. So
Hmm.
Aishwaryam
Kirtai.
Kirtai Bhavati. Aishwaryam Kirtai Bhavati. So the wealth brings the fame, right? Wealth brings the fame.
So it can be
Kirtaye Bhavati or Kirtai Bhavati.
This one.
Shakti Paravedanaye Bhavati. Shakti Paravedanaye Bhavati. Paravedanaye Bhavati means, Paravedana means
pain for others.
Sorry?
Pain for others.
Oh, pain.
Pain, accustomed to others.
Oh, Paravedana is pain. I thought Vedana is pain, right? What is the reason we have Paravedana?
Vedana for others.
Oh, okay. Paras. Okay. Para is means others.
Like Parpidana, right? In last class, you must have learned about, you must have read Sakti Parpidana, Parpidanaye Bhavati.
Okay.
Parvedanaye Bhavati.
Yeah. Dhanam Ravyate Kalpate.
Ravena. Khyati.
Sorry?
Khyati is Khyati. Khyati means fame.
Oh, Khyate. Okay, it's together. Dhanam Khyate Kalpate. Is it the same thing as Aishwaryam Kirtaye Bhavati? Same thing as Dhanam Khyate Kalpate. Kalpate Krup Dhatu. So original is Krup Dhatu. Okay, to be able to. Kalpate. Dhanam Khyate Kalpate.
So the Dhanam has the ability to bring fame, or Dhanam cause fame. अस्तु अधुत भवान् पठतु।
आं महोदय, नमो नमः। उपपदविभक्तिः क्रोधः एंगर, द्रोहः enmity, ईर्ष्या jealousy, असूया dislikeness. The person or thing against whom or which anger, hatred or jealousy is shown would be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Whoever is the receiver of these emotions gets Chaturthi Vibhakti. For example, Ravanaha Patnaihi Krudhyati. Patni, oh sorry, not he. Okay, yeah. Ravanaha Patnai Krudhyati. So Ravan gets angry on wife?
Gets angry at
wife. Rama Gitayai Druyati. Druyati as in?
Enmity.
Okay. Okay, so Rama is hatred or enmity, showing enmity against Gita. On Gita. Satyabhama Rukmani at Gita. Okay. Rama is showing enmity at Gita. Okay. Satyabhama Rukmani.
At Gita or for Gita? At or for?
Okay. At or for. Satyabhama Rukmani Irshati. So Satyabhama is jealous on Rukmini, or she is showing jealousy at of Rukmini. Okay. Sangita Sakhyai Asuyati. It's like dislikeness. So Sangita showing dislikeness towards her friends.
सख्यै श्रूयते.
Yeah, female friends. Yeah.
अस्तु. इदानीं स्मिता भगिनी पठतु.
आं महोदय.
तो
उपपद विभक्ति.
पठतु भगिनी, पठतु.
रोचते रुच धातु या रोचते तस्याः चतुर्थी विभक्ति. When the verbs such as liking, rochate are used, the person who shows liking or loves the object would be written in Chaturthi Vibhakti. And what is being like or love gets Prathama Vibhakti. Balikaye modakam rochate. Girls rochate means
Savor.
Rochate means like.
Girls like modak.
Girls, there is eka balika asti, one
Girls.
girl. There is only one girl.
Girl like
modakam. Modakam means laddu. Modak is the laddu.
Girl like laddu. Narye sangeetam rochate. Narye means female.
Woman.
Woman like song.
Music.
Chhatrabhyah sanskritam rochate. Student like Sanskrit.
Girl student. Chhatrabhyah. Girl students like Sanskrit.
Girl students like Sanskrit. Naikabhyah ashvah rochante. Female actor like horse.
Naika means leader, likes horses.
Leader likes horses.
Ata Naika actress nasti is not actress. Naika is leader.
Chitra Naika is actress.
Okay.
So, but this is in Bahuvachan, right? Bahuvachan. Naikabhyah.
The Chhatrabhyah also.
Chhatrabhyah also is plural.
Plural,
I mean, Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachan.
Otherwise, it will be Chatrakyai, like
Chatrayai.
Or Naikayai.
Naikayai. Aswaha rochante. Astu. का पढ़ती सपना भगिनी पढ़तु.
उपपद विभक्तिः स्वस्ति स्वाहा स्वधा अलम्. तुभ्यं स्वस्ति कल्याणवाचनम्.
So we say right, कल्याण हो. तुभ्यं स्वस्ति, प्रजाभ्यः स्वस्ति, कल्याण हो. स्वस्ति means कल्याणं भवति. Blessings. So blessings is always in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Swasti.
प्रजाभ्यः स्वस्ति वचनम्.
So
society.
Society, people's blessings. We see blessing of people.
Saraswatyai swaha, offerings in yajna.
So you are giving offering to Devi Saraswatyai swaha. So you are giving offering. Offering is for whom? The purpose of offering is Saraswati. So Chaturthi is basically a receiver of the object who receive the result of the action. So here the action is offering. So receiver is Saraswati, Agnaye, Swaha, Lakshmi Swaha. For whoever you are giving the offering, Chaturthi Yakti. अस्तु भवति. अग्रे पठतु.
मात्रे अथवा मातृभ्यः स्वधा, offerings to Pitra.
So when you do Pitra, so for For parent side, you'll say pitribhyah, pitre. For mother side, matre, matribhyah, swadha. So offering to Pitra. When you say Swaha, then the offering is in Agni, because Swaha is the daughter of Agni, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Swaha, who was Swaha?
In Pitru
Yeah.
Tarpana, it is Sadhana.
So, yeah. Swaha is wife of Lord Agni. So she is
Another
the
wife
wife
of
of
Agni. Another wife of Agni.
So we call upon wife of Agni, Devi Swaha, to take the offering. And Swadha is just offering. Swaha is offering in Agni. Astu Agni. Agli padtu.
Sadha is, I think Sadha is used for in Pitru Tarpanam. When black till is offered. Sadhanam Tarpayami.
Agli padtu Agni.
Durga Asurebhyah Alam. Alam, enough, Paryaptam.
Paryaptam.
Durga is enough for Asura. Asuras.
Or food as well, we say, na? Mahyam, Bhojanam, Alam. For me, is enough. Mahyam, Bhojanam, for Mahyam, because for me it is enough. So Mahyam, Bhojanam, Alam.
The Tubhyam means you, right? Tubhyam is you.
Tubhyam is Tad Shabda Madhyam Purush, no?
No. Yusmad.
Yushmad. Tum, no?
Tum, So Tubhyam is Tubhyam, Asmad and Yusmad. They are for all lingas. So when you say Tum, it's for all lingas. So if you remember, Namastubhyam, Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhutesu Vidyarupena Sansita Namastubhyam. You say, right? Namastubhyam. When Namaha?
Namastasya. We say Namastasya, no?
Tubhyam is, how does it decline? Where is it, Tubhyam?
The first one.
Yushmad, okay.
Yushmad,
Tubhyam. No, Sahataute, Tam Tautan, Tena, Abhyam.
No. Yusmad Agni.
Yushmad.
Tom you yam.
Mahyam Tubhyam.
Oh, okay. Tvam yam. Okay. Yeah. Tubhyam or te. Okay. Dhanyawad.
We'll say, many times we'll say Namastubhyam. So Namaskar for you. Namastubhyam.
So what is the difference between Tubhyam and Tasai?
Tubhyam is you. Tasmai is her.
Tasmai.
Namastasya, Namaskar for her.
Tasmai.
Namaskar for you.
Okay. Pratham Purush or Uttam Purush.
So Tasmai for Pullinga and Napusalinga, Tasyai for Nistilinga. But when you say Tum or you, it's same for all Linga. The Tum is not by Linga. Tum and I, they are for all Lingas. So for me, Mahyam. Pullinga Mahyam.
Not Prathama, what were you saying? Purusha. There is no Purusha here. This is Vibhakti.
Tasyai.
Yeah, Tasyai is Chaturthi for Sa.
So that is Tad Shabda, no? Tad Shabda.
Yeah, but you are saying Purusha. It is not Purusha. Purusha is a verb, right? You are saying, are you saying Ekavachana? Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
You understand, right? What you realize what mistake you made? Prathama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. That is different, right? That is verbs, no? This is Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti. You understand
Pulinga,
what mistake you said? He made a mistake. He's not understanding that he made a mistake.
No, that's okay. Mistake is
Swapna Bhagini, the point here is for aham and tvam, that is these two, this thing, there is no linga bheda. That is what Deepak Mahoday is trying to tell us.
Okay. Deepak Mahoday, I understood. I was just trying to correct Faniraj Mahoday. That is.
Okay, let's go, keep going.
तुलसी भगवान पढ़तु महोदय.
Am Mahoday.
पढ़तु.
Namaha, to whom we bow down, worship, is written in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Lakshmi Namaha. My salutes are to Lakshmi Devi. Iti Rama Vadati. This is what Rama has told. Saraswatai Namaha. Iti Vayam Pardhayama. I am praying Saraswati by saying Saraswatai Namaha.
पढ़तु महोदय, पढ़तु.
नमः नमस्तुभ्यं. नमस्तुभ्यं इति भक्तः वदति. The devotee told that I am saluting you. I am saluting you.
Namastubhyam. So it is Namaha, but due to Sandhi become Namas. Namastubhyam.
Okay, that is Sandhi. Namastubhyam. Correct. Correct.
तो अगले पढ़ तू.
Avadheyam. Avadheyam is?
Please take a note.
Namati namaskaromi chet dvitiya vibhakti eva bhavati. So when you use namati or namaskaromi, it has to be in dvitiya vibhakti instead of chaturthi vibhakti. If it is namaha, that is chaturthi. If it is namati or namaskaromi, it is dvitiya vibhakti. Ramah Durgam namati. Aham Saraswati namami.
So
Rama praying Durga Devi, and I am praying Saraswati.
So see, Namaha is a avyaya. When you use Namaha, so Namaha means my namaskaram for. It has this meaning inside, Namaha. Namami or Namati is a verb. So if you say Namami, then there won't be Chaturthi. When you say Namami, then the god or the person who are doing Namaskaram, that will become object. Now object is Dutiya. So we'll say Aham Durgam Namami, Aham Ramam Namami, Aham Saraswatim Namami, Aham Lakshmim Namami. So if you use Namami Kriya, then the person or Devi will be in Dutiya. But if you use Namaha, then only it will be Chaturthi. सम्यक् अस्ति? कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति? विराज महोदय सम्यक् अस्ति महोदय?
Mahoday, I had a doubt on Tubhyam. Tubhyam, what would the declination be for plural? Dvivachan and
समान एव. So Tubhyam. So Tubhyam. No. Bahuvachan is not Tubhyam. Let's look at
Yushmabhyam, right? Bahuvachan Yushmabhyam.
Yushmabhyam.
Yes, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam.
Yushmad.
Yushmabhyam.
Yushmad. Sabdaru. Chaturthi yusmabhyam. So, but what happens mostly if you see it is singular is used. Generally when you pray, you pray to single person. Generally, it doesn't happen that you pray to many persons at the same time. So Yusmabhyam is not used that frequently. It's mostly Tubhyam is used. Because we mostly pray to one God, one person. No? So that's why Namah Tubhyam is more common. Or you can say Namah Yusmabhyam. If you are doing Namaskaram to many deities or many persons at the same time, then you can say Namah Yusmabhyam. Then it will be
Yeah,
Namo
in some
Yusmabhyam.
chantings it comes. Siddhi Buddhi Sahitaye, Ganeshaya
But
Nama,
then, but when you
Yushmabhyam.
say then you don't say Namasupabhyam. When you say Ismabhyam, Nama will become Namo. That's Sandhi rule. So become Namo Ismabhyam, not Namastubhyam. Namasupabhyam. There's Sandhi rule only with Tubhyam due to the Nama become Namas. But with Usmabhyam it will be Namo. Namo Ismabhyam. अस्तु सम्यक् अस्ति उमा भगिनी क्लियर् अस्ति स्पष्ट अस्ति
धन्यवादः
हा अस्तु कः पठति ईश्वरन् महोदय भवान् पठतु
हेलो
हा भवान् पठतु महोदय
तत् शब्दः चतुर्थी विभक्ति रूपाणि लिङ्गं लिङ्गे
सारी क्षम्यतां महोदय क्षम्यतां त्रुटिः अस्ति
can't see. Okay. लिंगे संप्रदानम लिंगे संप्रदानम for her. जननी तस्यै skam dadati. Mother gives parrot for her. जननी त्याभ्यः सुकान् dadati. Mother gives parrots for them.
अस्तु महोदय तो this is the tadaru her so here tashabd asti so for pullinga it is tasmai tebhyah
tasmai kebhyah
for strilinga it is tasyai tabhyah अस्तु कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति अस्तु इदानीं so this roop we know. Ishwaran Mahoday, just quickly read the forms. Read only Chaturthi Bhakti.
Mahoday, correct.
So tasya tabhyam tabhyah. Astu. Ita sabda samaneva Chaturthi Bhakti etasyai etabhyam etabhyah. Rechalaamah किं शब्द यद्यपि सेंगेना अधुत भवान् पठतु महोदय
आं महोदय किं शब्दः चतुर्थी विभक्ति रूपाणि स्त्रीलिंगे संप्रदानम for whom or to whom जननी कस्यै शुकं ददाति जननी तस्यै और एतस्यै और पुत्रै शुकं ददाति. So here स्त्रीलिंगे vachan is like tassai etasai putrei. So putrei is chaturthi of putri, right?
पुत्री चतुर्थी पुत्री. So प्रश्न किं भवति? Janani is giving parrot to whom?
Whom?
But since it is kasyai, she definitely giving to some
Female.
Stri.
Yeah.
Female. Yeah, definitely female. So she is giving to some female, but which female that you don't know. So when you ask the question kasyai, that means you know that is going to some female. Astu.
Janani kabhyah shukan dadati. So mother, to whom mother gives multiple parrots.
Many parrots.
Like yeah, and many people, to whom multiple people. Mother gives multiple parrot. So Janani tabhyah etabhyah putribhyah shukan dadati.
Astu. एतै पठतु महोदय. Read the Chaturthi only.
Okay, this is Kim Shabdah Vibhakti Rupani Pullinge. Chaturthi
Not
Vibhakti.
Pullinge.
Yes, Srilinge, right? Yeah. Strilinge, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ekvachanam kasyai, द्विवचनम काभ्याम, बहुवचनम काभ्यः.
अस्तु.
Mahoday, you know that what you had posted yesterday, you'll have to update that PowerPoint, because otherwise in that it is all pullinge. So it's confusing. Now we may remember, but later on.
So it update automatically. You have to refresh the page.
Okay. Okay, Mahoday.
It automatically updates, because when I'm changing, it is online. Is online. Yeah. So you just refresh the page. It will appear here. Yeah.
धन्यवाद.
अस्तु महोदय. का पठति पार्थिभगिनी पठतु.
यत् शब्दः चतुर्थी विभक्ति रूपाणि स्त्रीलिंगे. Yes. Yasyai, yabhyah, for whom, whatever, for whomever, whatever. Janani yasyai shukam dadati sa putri. For whom mother is giving parrot is her daughter. Janani yaha.
एक निमिष. No. एक निमिष. भगिनी पठतु इदानीं.
जननी याभ्यः शुकं ददाति ताः पुत्रः पुत्र्यः
पुत्री पुत्र्यौ पुत्र्यः.
For whom mother is giving parrot are her daughters.
Daughters.
Yasyai yabhyah.
एतदै पठतु. Read this as well.
यत् शब्दः विभक्ति रूपाणि स्त्रीलिंगे. चतुर्थी विभक्ति यस्यै याभ्यां याभ्यः. Not याभ्यः.
याभ्यः. यस्यै यस्यै याभ्यां याभ्यः. Astu. Now we'll do abhyasam from this book. So let's do some abhyasam. 135. What was the Kimasi? Fish Sankhya? 134. चत्वारिंशदधिकं शतम्. चत्वारिंशदधिकं शतम्. चतुर्थी भक्ति. अस्तु. अद्भुत भवान् करोतु.
Okay, पितामह जनकाय प्रसादं ददाति.
See, now this is mixed exercise. We have all the lingas. Astu.
Okay. So
you have to go in circle, right? Janakah, Pitamah, Janakaya, Janakah, So like that.
Oh,
These all.
Janakaha. Okay.
Mhm.
So,
Okay.
okay, give me a minute. So, Janani Chaturthi, right?
Jananyai.
Jananyai. Yeah, that's it. So, Janakaha Jananyai Prasadam Dadati.
Do the next one as well. Do the whole thing.
Oh, okay. So, Pitamaha Janakaya Prasadam Dadati. Janakaha Jananyai Prasadam Dadati. Janani Janani, yeah, Akaranta.
Like Chhatra.
Like then again it will be yai only, right? Agrajayai, right?
Agrajayai.
Janani, Agrija, like Mahilayai, above it's written like that, yeah. So Janani, Agrajayai, Prasadam Dadati.
Kshamatam, Mहोदय. Should we also do the Bahuvachan? Janani. We should do, I think, Bahuvachan also. So gives more clarity.
Is easy. Bahuvachan is बहुत easy. Bahuvachan is just you add bhya. Agrajabhya. करोतु भवान्. अस्तु, इदानीं परिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु. You do the list.
Okay, I'll do the Bahuvachan of Janani. Pitamaha. Jananyai is singular. Jananibhya is plural, Bahuvachan. Correct? Jananibhya is correct? Correct, na? Okay. Pitamaha Jananibhya prasadam dadati. Pitamaha agrajayai.
No, you have to go in circle. So Janani dadati, not Pitamaha. Janani, Janaka dadati Jananibhya. Janaka Jananibhya dadati. Janani agrajabhya dadati. So you go in order.
Astu. Janakah Jananyai prasadam dadati. Janakah Jananibhya prasadam dadati. Janani agrajayai prasadam dadati. Janani agrajabhyam agrajabhyah agraja is a strilinga, so the plural of that is abhyah. Agrajabhyah prasadam dadati. Continue.
Continue.
Agraja anujah. Agraja Anujah is pulling. Anujah. Anujah.
Ebhya. I and Ebhya. Ramai Ramebhyah. Balkai Balkebhyah.
Rama, correct. Anujaya, correct? Anujaya. Agraja Anujaya prasadam dadati. Agraja Anujebhyah prasadam dadati. Correct, na?
Go in order to the next one.
Anujaha Pitamahai prasadam dadati. Pitamahai. Anujaha Pitamabhya prasadam dadati. Pitamahibhya. Pitamahibhya dadati.
See, in Strilinga, Bahuvachan is very easy. In Strilinga, Bahuvachan, to make Bahuvachan, just add a pratyay at the end. So, it is for Pullinga, you need to remember, but for Strilinga, it's very easy. Just add bhyah. So, mahibhyah, janibhyah, chhatrabhyah. Just add bhyah at the pratipadikam. Astu. Sapnavagni, do the next one.
कोष्ठके विद्यमानानां शब्दानां साहाय्येन वाक्यानि रचयन्तु। स्वामी सेवकेभ्यः वेतनं ददाति। So this is पुंलिंगा सेवकाः बहुवचन. Okay.
So now you have mix actually. You can have mix. Napusaklinga, Pullinga, Slinga, all
Okay.
all can come.
Okay. गृहिणी भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददाति. अधिकारी सैनिकाः. So सैनिकाः सैनिकेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति. पुरस्कारं ददाति. पुरस्कारं द्वितीय. So I'm doing the everything.
Do the all.
Okay. प्रधानाचार्यः छात्रेभ्यः प्रमाणपत्रं ददाति.
Now, if you see in here, you can use either. It's not clear.
छात्राभ्यः.
So, छात्राभ्यः भी सम्यक्, छात्रेभ्यः both are correct.
छात्रेभ्यः. Yeah. आपणिकः ग्राहकेभ्यः अथवा ग्राहकाभ्यः वस्तूनि ददाति. Right?
No, for grahak, for female it is grahika.
ग्राहिका. Okay. ग्राहका. So ग्राहकेभ्यः वस्तूनि ददाति.
सम्यक्. अस्तु, वासुराज महोदय पठतु. वासुराज महोदय.
Yes. हाँ महोदय. कोष्टकस्य सहायेन राष्ट्रपतिः केभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति इति लिखन्तु. Okay, so we got to pick one from the list, right?
Do 4 up. Do from 1 to 4.
Okay. राष्ट्रपतिः वैज्ञानिकाय पुरस्कारं ददाति. Okay. राष्ट्रपतिः पंडितायः पुरस्कारं ददाति. 1, right? राष्ट्रपतिः वैज्ञानिकाय पुरस्कारं ददाति. What is the second one? Same thing, right?
But second is the same thing. Into second one is the bahuvachane.
Oh, bahuvachana. Okay. राष्ट्रपतिः पंडितायः.
No. Pandit asti pullinga.
Okay. राष्ट्रपतिः पंडितेभ्यः, right? पंडितेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति. बहुवचन. Okay. पुरस्कारा वैज्ञानिकेभ्यः. Okay, I got it. राष्ट्रपतिः बालिकाय.
No. बालिका स्त्रीलिंग अस्ति. बालिकाय न.
Sorry.
Balika is the strilinga. What did we learn? What is the fourth form of balika?
Balika. Got to see what did we do? Balika is Balikayai. Okay, Balikayai. Oh. Rashtrapati Balikayai Puraskaram Dadati. And in the second one, Bahuvachana. Rashtrapatihi. So the Bahuvachana will be Balikabhyah, right? Balikabhyah. So Rashtrapatihi Balikabhyah Puraskaram Dadati.
अस्तु महोदय, बहुत सम्यक्. इदानीं कृष्णन् महोदय भवान् पठतु. चतुर्थं.
I am little confused. I'll only watch. Sorry.
किमस्ति आज तो कंफ्यूजन महोदय, आज व्हाट इज कंफ्यूजन, क्लियर ना? दैट्स व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग. व्हाट इज द
I
कंफ्यूजन
can't also,
महोदय?
it is not very clear also to me here.
So you can't see?
Yeah, it is very blurred.
It is fine now?
Yeah.
Then
What should I do
mहोदय.
now? What should I do now?
Do the fourth one. So you have to. So we have done till Balika. Now you have to pick the form, Chaturthi form for Ekvachanam and Bahuvachanam and fill in the blanks.
I have to pick up from the box, is it?
So Karata is Rashtrapati, and then your target you have to pick from the box. Balika onwards, sorry, Gaika onwards. So you have to pick Gaika.
Gaika.
So
Gaikaye.
Rashtrapati, no, so Rashtrapati
Gaikaye.
Kasyai, no, it shall be Rashtrapati. Rashtrapati is giving the Puruskaram. Whom he is giving the Puruskaram, that's you are telling.
No, can I pick up Gaika?
Gaika pick up, but Gaika is receiving the Puruskaram. Who is giving Puruskaram?
Okay.
Rashtrapati, he. So you have to start with Rashtrapati, he.
Oh, Rashtrapati Gaikaye Puraskaram Dadati.
बहुत सम्यक. Now we see that's Ekvachanam. If you look at the next, it is Bahuvachanam. In the same line, in the fourth only, if you look at the next, look at the ahead of
Gaikaye.
Rashtrapati. No,
Rashtrapati.
Rashtrapati.
Gayakai.
गायिकायै तो भवति एकवचनम. Now you have to do the bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam will be गायिकाभ्यः.
Gaikabhyah. Tam dadati. Then Rashtrapati Biha.
राष्ट्रपति गायिकाभ्यः पुरस्कारं
Gaikabhyah Puskaram
ददाति.
Dadati.
Do the next one as well. Do the fifth one as well.
Fifth one. Gaikabhyam.
No. For next one it is Nartaki. Look at the
Nartaki,
bracket.
okay. Rashtrapati Nartikayai.
नहीं नर्तिकाई नाम हो नर्तकी नर्तक्यै.
Nartaki Nadi. Like
नद्यै
Nartaki, okay. Nartakyai Puraskaram Dadati. And Rashtrapati
Patihi
Nirtikabhyam.
No. So see, to make the bahuvachan, just add bha at the pratipadikam. So nartaki, nartikibhyah.
Oh, Nartakibhyah. Okay. I'm
Bahuvachan
little
form
confused.
for Strilinga is very easy. Just add bhyah.
Oh,
For nartaki,
Nartakibhyah.
it will be. So Rashtrapati is giving, the president is giving puskaram to many dancers, many ladies
Okay,
dancers.
Nartakibhyah.
अस्तु. अग्रे उमा भगिनी करोतु.
राष्ट्रपतिः राष्ट्रपतिः कवयित्रै पुरस्कारं ददाति. राष्ट्रपतिः कवयित्रीभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति.
तुलसीराम भगवान, do the last one.
आं महोदय, राष्ट्रपतिः मित्राय पुरस्कारं ददाति।
हम्म,
राष्ट्रपतिः मित्रेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति।
बहुत सम्यक।
So, Mahoday, so it will be like I definitely exercise last just yesterday's exercise. So here it will be like यस्यै राष्ट्रपतिः पुरस्कारं ददाति सा गायिका,
हाँ
right? यस्यै and
okay.
sa. Okay,
Yes, yes. हाँ सम्यक।
got it.
Now I'm skipping this. You can do abhyasam at home. So एतानि वाक्यानि उच्चैः पठन्तु। Let's go. So here we have basically here. If you, this is good practice. So you can read out all the forms. So they have mix. Pullinga, Napusaklinga, Pullinga, Samaneva. They have Stilinga as well. So they have all the forms. So you can practice this at home. So here Akarant, Akarant, Ukarant, Ukarant, Ikarant. You have all of them. So you can practice. Astu. Let's practice this one. Ka karoti Parthibhagni karotu. Do one. Parthibhagni.
सेनापति हाँ महोदय सेनापति राइट सेनापतिः सेनापतिः सेना सेना पत्यै पत्ये
पतये सेना पतये
पतये सेनापतये and सेना पतियाम
no सेनापतिभ्याम
सेनापतिभ्याम and सेनापतिभ्यः
Sapna Bhagni, do the next one.
सेनापति प्रतिनिधिः प्रतिनिधये प्रतिनिधिभ्यां प्रतिनिधिभ्यः
Mahoday, these three words are Pullinga or Napunsakalinga? Pullinga.
Nidhi bhavati strilinga. Ikaran.
But Nartaki is Nartakyai. So the ka and ya get joined, but here why is it separate?
It is Ikaran, Bhagni. Ikaran. Hasva I. Senapati asti Pullinga.
Okay. So in Strilinga, if it is Ikarant, it becomes joint. Nadyai.
No, so Strilinga, it depends. So Strilinga, if it is Ikarant, Haswai, it has dual form. But for Ikarant, Ikarant, for Ikarant, it is Yai, Nadyai.
So if it is Nartaki, we made it Nartakyai.
Because that's the
But
Ikaran.
Senapati will be Senapataye.
Basically, Senapati pulling asti.
Okay.
It's like Muni, Munaye. Senapataye. Ikarant asti. Ikarant pullinga. Nidhi Stiling Ikarant asti, so it has dual form. You can say Nidhaye, you can say Nidhyaye as well. Astu Bhagni, Savarna Bhagni padtu. Do the Ukarant as well.
Who's that? Smita or who?
Sapna Bhagni.
Oh, okay. Vatu. Okay. Vatuhu, Vatave, Vatubhyam, Vatubhyaha. Shatruhu, Shatrave, Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhyaha.
बहु सम्यक् इदानीम् इस्ता भगिनी करोतु
आं महोदय। दस्युः, दस्यवे, दस्युभ्यां, दस्युभ्यः।
बहुत सम्यक। read the pita one as well.
पिता, पित्रे, पितृभ्यां, पितृभ्यः।
Do the next one, नेता.
नेता, नेत्रे, नेतृभ्यां, नेतृभ्यः।
हाँ, बहुत सम्यक। फणिराज महोदय, वहां करो तो दूधाधिवक्ता।
अधिवक्ताये,
ना
अधिवक्ता,
ना
अधिवक्तायै,
अधिवक्ता, ना अधिवक्ता follow the पिता रूप, see the पिता रूप।
ओके, पुल्लिंग। अस्तु, अधिवक्ताये, अधिवक्ता, अधिवक्ते, अधिवक्ते,
वक्ते ना वक्त्रे, अधिवक्त्रे।
ओके, ऋकारान्त इज इट? दिस इज ओके। अधिवक्त्रे, अधिवक्त्रे, अधिवक्त्राभ्याम, अधिवक्तृभ्यः, अधिवक्तृभ्यः। ओके, इट्स ऋकारान्त।
Do the next one as well. Read the bhumi form.
भूमि, भूम्यै, this is स्त्रीलिंग, no? भूम्यै, भूमये, भूमि।
Since it is rikarant, since it is ikarant, it is dual form. Bhumye or bhumaye, both are correct.
भूमि, भूमये। अस्तु, भूमिभ्यां, भूमिभ्यां, भूमिभ्यः, सन्ततिः, सन्ततिः, सन्तत्यै अथवा सन्ततये, सन्ततिभ्यां, सन्ततिभ्यः।
Do you know the meaning of santati? Kim bhavati mohoday? Santati artha kim asti?
Santati is the progeny is offsprings, the next generation.
सम्यक् सम्यक्। इदानीं अवधूत भवान् पठतु।
ओके महोदय। मूर्ति, मूर्ति, संतति, मूर्तिः स्त्रीलिंगी, राइट? सो मूर्ते और मूर्तये, मूर्तिभ्यां, मूर्तिभिः, तनु, तन्वै, तनवे, तन्वै, तनवे, तनुभ्यां, तनुभ्यः। Similarly, धेनुः will become धेन्वै और धेनवे, धेनुभ्यां, धेनुभ्यः।
बहुत सम्यक्। इदानीं वासराज महोदय पठतु। रज्जु। वासराज महोदय।
आम् महोदय। The next one is
रज्जु।
रज्जु।
रज्जु means भवान् जानाति? भवान् रज्जु means?
I don't know what is rajju.
Rope.
Sorry?
Rope.
Rope. Okay. Rope. Rajju. Rajvai. Rajavai.
Rajju is pullinga, so it has only, it will or Rajju appears the Strilinga, that's fine. So it will have dual form, that's fine. Yeah. So Rajvai or Rajave.
Rajave. Rajvai or Rajave. Rajubhyam. Rajubhyah. Mata. Matare. Correct?
Matare. सम्यक्.
Matare. Matabhyam.
Matare na matre.
Matre. Oh, Mata Matre. Matre. Or yeah, Matre. And the next one is can it be Matraye?
No, Matre only.
Matre. Mata Matre. Matrubhyam. Matrubhyah.
Matrubhyah. Do the next one as well. Dadhi.
Dadhi. Dadne. Dadibhyam. Dadibhyah.
Hmm.
So so that become dadne, right? Vari become
Varine.
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 Varibhyam.
Hmm.
Varibhyah. Vari is flowing, right? Or
No,
the river.
Vari is water. Jal.
Water. Yeah.
So you can say Jal as well. So Vari, Dadhi, give us the one, Dadhi.
Dadhi.
Hmm.
Dadhi is
Curd, yogurt.
oh, okay. Dahi is Dadhi.
Dadhi, that's right.
Okay.
इदानीं कः पठति उमा भगिनी पठतु
मधु मधुने मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः वस्तु वस्तुने वस्तुभ्यां वस्तुभ्यः
वस्तु किमस्ति भगिनी
वस्तु इज एनीथिंग
just like in English we say thing vastu
Last two are Napumsakaling, right? Or that?
Madhu
and Vastu.
Vari api sarvani dadhi vari madhu vastu चत्वारि अपि नपुंसकलिंगानि all four are नपुंसकलिंग महोदय dadhi vari madhu vastu all four are नपुंसकलिंग
अस्तु
astu we have one more Uma Bhagini karotu how many are there
यथा नेता कवये रंगवाणी ददाति गृहस्थ गृहस्थ अतिथि is pullinga
अतिथि पुल्लिंग भगिनी
तो गृहस्थ अतिथ्यै
न भगिनी इकारान्त अस्ति अतिथये
अतिथये
किं ददाति पानीयं न पुस्तकानि न पानीयं
ददाति
पानीयं मीन्स्
something to drink
Paniyam could be anything water chai tea coffee anything paniyam any liquid drinks
beverage
do the भोजनपि करोतु
गृहस्थ अतिथिभ्यः पानीयं ददाति
बहु सम्यक् do the third one as well
माता शिशु शिशु will be शिशु
पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति गुरुवे like
शिशवे क्रीडनकानि ददाति माता शिशुभ्यः क्रीडनकानि ददाति
बहु सम्यक् तुलसीराम भवान् करोतु fourth and fifth
अभियन्ता पटवे यन्त्राणि ददाति अभियन्ता पटुभ्यः यन्त्राणि ददाति कृषकः जन्तवे आहारं ददाति कृषकः जन्तुभ्यः आहारं ददाति
बहु सम्यक् इदानीम् अवधूत भवान्
सन्तति so janani संतत्यै धनम ददाति और संतत्यै और संततये धनम ददाति जननी संततिभ्यः धनम ददाति So Vyakti also follow the same, right?
Vyakti, I think, Vyakti, I think is Pullinga. So say first I do the first form.
Only on, yeah, first. So Bhavan Vyaktyai Vastrani Dadati. Bhavan Vyaktibhya Vastrani Dadati.
इदानीं कः करोति? ईश्वर महोदय भवान् करोति किम्?
अधिकारी अधिकारी अभिनये
न अभिनेता भवति विकारान्त अभिनेत्रे
अभिनेत्रे पुरस्कारं ददाति
बहुवचने वदतु बहुवचन
अधिकारी
अभिनेत्रेभ्यः So अभिनेता is like पिता और माता और भ्राता विकारान्त अस्ति
पुरस्कारं ददाति.
So what you can do, Mahoday, we see here is a table, two pages before your table here, right?
Okay.
You see, so you can just go through this table. So you'll see most of the forms. So abhiyanta, abhiyantre, abhiyantrebhyam, it's like that. Karyakartre, like that. Astu. Swapna Bhagini, do the next one.
अध्येता अध्येतारः. ओके, शिक्षकः मात्रे. सो अध्येत्रे. नो, अध्येत्रे.
सम्यक्, अध्येत्रे.
शिक्षकः अध्येत्रे पुस्तकानि ददाति.
What is Adhetra? What is Adhetra?
The one who study.
Sorry, study.
Okay. The one who study is Adhetre. Student, and the name for a student.
So अध्येतृभ्यः.
अध्येतृभ्यः, सम्यक् अस्ति.
अध्येतृभ्यः. ओके, शिक्षकः अध्येतृभ्यः पुस्तकानि ददाति.
So see, I mean, we translate all of them to one, but actually they are all in Sanskrit. See, in Sanskrit there is no concept of paryayavachi. So synonyms. In Sanskrit there is no synonyms, right? In Sanskrit every word has different meaning. But when we convert to English or the language, we say synonym. But in Sanskrit there is no synonyms. Every word has different meaning. So Vidyarthi, the one who obtain knowledge. That Vidyarthi. Yeah. Now we say Vidyarthi for student, but Vidyarthi meaning is different. The one who received knowledge, or who is interested in receiving knowledge. That's Vidyarthi. Adheta, in English we translate to student, but Adheta is the one who do the study. That's Adheta. Chhatra, we also say Chhatra, but Chhatra is the one who sit close to student, like Chhata, like umbrella. That's a Chhatra. So every word in Sanskrit, they have very different meaning. So Sanskrit, there is no synonyms actually. Every word has different meaning.
Actually, even in English, they have to use it in a different context. Even though they have synonyms, all synonyms cannot be used in all contexts, right? So they do have context. But in Sanskrit, it starts from the root.
In Sanskrit, you have just 2000, because Sanskrit is the only language which is structured.
Yeah, so
you can make in Sanskrit, you can make new words. Just combine these two and you can still make new words. But you don't have this ability in other language, especially in foreign languages. So That's why it is said that Sanskrit is more suitable for computers because it is a meta-programming language.
For
In
artificial
this,
intelligence, they said it's a
uh,
good one for artificial intelligence.
people are using it actually. People are using in this organization where I'm doing the Sanskrit. There is a class for AI, so people are teaching their AI in Sanskrit. How there is a guy from, I think he's from US only. He's teaching AI in Sanskrit. He take class. Astu. Swapna Agni, do the next one as well. Then we'll do the exercise and then we'll close. Then we'll stop the today's class. So rest you can do at home.
What should I do, sir?
Do this one.
कौन
We are
सा
doing
ये स्वामी ओके
Swami.
आवरणे विद्यमानस्य शब्दस्य चतुर्थी विभक्ति रूपेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु
So basically what you have to do is in the bracket you need to see what is the vachanam, and then you have to use the chaturthi of the same. So you see in the first one you have putra. Putra means two putra. Hence he used putrabhyam. So you have to look at the vachanam of the prathama, and then you have to use the chaturthi of the. But Dvitiya is very easy. Dvitiya is same for all lingas, so it is should be easy exercise. Karotu Agni. To the prathama.
स्वामी प्रतिनिधये धनं यच्छति
No. See pratinidhi.
धी मतलब नदी नद्यै
No. Nadi nidhi asti ikaran. So nidhi means two nidhi. There are two present representative, right? Like mati. No. Nidhi ikarant asti. So pratinidhi, pratinidhayah. Like mati, matayah.
so this is द्वितीय वचनं ना
Pratinidhi becomes Dvitiya. So it's not pratinidhyo. It is pratinidhi.
Okay, so nadyau nadibhyam.
No,
So
not Nadi Bhagini. Nadi is Ikaran. Eta asti Nidhi. Ikaran.
ईकारां.
Ikaran.
So प्रतिनिधिभ्याम.
Pratinidhibhyam.
Okay. स्वामी प्रतिनिधिभ्याम धनम यच्छति.
Pratinidhibhyam dhanam achyati.
मित्रं मित्रे मित्राणि. मित्रं मित्रे मित्राणि. सः मित्राभ्याम उपायनानि ददाति.
Upayan means gift. Upayan means gift. So Tulsi Bhavan, do the third and fourth. One mute asti. Bhavan, Tulsi Bhavan mute asti. Mute karo tu. Unmute karo tu Bhavan. Tulsi Bhavan unmute asti.
Okay, sorry. So second one, I do it again.
The third and fourth.
Third, okay. Anuja बंधुभ्याम मधुरम यच्छति.
Fourth one करो तो fourth one.
अध्यक्षः नर्तकीभ्याम पुरस्कारं ददाति.
इदानीं पार्थी भगिनी करोतु. Do the fifth. Parthi भगिनी do the fifth one.
Aham Bratarau. It's like Mata.
So Mata, Matarau, Matra. Bhrata, Bhratrau, Bhratrah.
Bhratrah भ्रातरभ्यः, no?
न भ्रातरं भ्रातृभ्यां भवति भगिनि द्विवचनं।
भ्रातृभ्यां वस्त्राणि यच्छामि।
फणिराज महोदय, do the sixth one.
अधिकारी सेविके सेविके सेवकः नो
No.
सेविका सेविके is the द्विवचन
सेवकः
of स्त्रीलिंग।
सेविके।
वही स्त्रीलिंग द्विवचन। तो अधिकारी सेविकाभ्यः रूप्यकाणि ददाति।
द्विवचनं करोतु। सेविकाभ्यः न, द्विवचनं करोतु।
सेविकाभ्यः
भ्यः न, सेविकाभ्यः तो बहुवचनं भवति महोदय। अत्र द्विवचनं करणीयं। द्विवचनं
सेविका
सेविके द्विवचनम् अस्ति, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं न करणीयम्।
तो इट इज सेविकेभ्यः।
न महोदय, सेविकाभ्याम्।
आभ्याम्
द्विवचनं करणीयं न महोदय, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं न करणीयम्। We're not doing बहुवचन here. सेविके is not बहुवचन, द्विवचनम् अस्ति।
Okay. Makara comes at the end. Abhyam. अधिकारी सेविकाभ्यां रूप्यकाणि ददाति।
बहुत सम्यक्। स्मिता भगिनी, do the seventh one.
महोदय, अग्रजः धेनुभ्यां तृणानि यच्छति।
भगिनी जानति किं तृणानि किमस्ति? तृणानि
ग्रास।
ग्रास। Azul Bhavan, do the seventh, eighth one.
Okay, I think it's mataro karyakarta, both are द्विवचन। So भवान कार्यकर्तुभ्यां मोदकानि ददाति। कार्यकर्तुभ्यां मोदकानि ददाति। पुत्रः मातृभ्यां फलानि यच्छति।
बहुत सम्यक। So which is I think 2:30 now, so 8 o'clock. So we still have how many pages left? I think 7. So this one you can practice at home, and if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask in the next class. So you have 7 more exercises. So it is good practice. It is quite it has had a lot of exercises here. So we see the part that we did today, the exercise for them as well. Kudati, druyati, asuyati, ishanti, druyati. So it has exercise for all the path bhakti that we did so far. You can practice this at home. Just 7 more pages. So it is quite good exercise to get hold of the Chaturthi Bhakti.
Okay. Mohoday, in last class also I was having just one quick question, like rochate, it went up, right? Just so rochate and ruchi pradarshayati or ruchi prakatayati is not, ruchihi prakatayati is not the same, is it?
So ruchi, when you say ruchi, then you use so rochte asti kriyapadam. Rochte is kriyapadam asti, is a verb.
Yes.
And it is a atmanepadi. We'll lead atmanepadi, I think, after 2 weeks. We'll lead atmanepadi. Okay. Ruchi is a noun. Is interest.
Bhavavachak. Right.
So when you say ruchi, so when you say I have interest, then you use saptami. Because when you say I have interest, you have interest on something or in something. Na? So you say I have interest in studying. So mama ruchihi pathane asti. मम रुचि ही लेखने अस्ति। और फिर मेरी रुचि तुम्हारे में है, तो मम रुचि ही त्वयि अस्ति। I have interest in you. So मम रुचि त्वयि अस्ति. Pushte is both are from same dhatu. Rochate and ruchi, they
correct.
come from same dhatu ruch.
Yes.
It's just that rochate is a kriya and ruchi is noun.
Similar to our sneham darshayati and sniyati.
Sneham darshati snehati. Ha. But thing is with ruchi, um, uh, ruchi is a not kriya form of rochate.
Oh,
Rochate
okay.
is different one. I think it's
Means meaning wise it's same, but they are not related actually,
ah,
like that. Okay.
no, I mean they are related in the sense that they come from same dhatu, from ruch dhatu. They are from same. So basically they have similar meanings. So you can say
Okay.
mama ruchihi madhure asti. That's correct.
Okay.
Mama ruchihi madhure asti.
Madhure asti.
हाँ और
Okay.
just let me check. I think
Mama,
let me tell you one thing. So
or
Rochanam.
Mama Ruchi. Mama Ruchi
Rochanam
is
asti.
Shashti.
That's a Rochanam. So what you are looking for is Rochanam.
Okay.
So balakah madhurasya rochanam karoti. You can say like that.
Okay. That will be
That will be like
karma.
patati patanam karoti.
Karma padan like
Gachati
that.
gamanam
Okay.
karoti. So now if you see in here, can you tell me what is the karta here? Balakah madhuram. What is the karta?
Oh, Balakaya Madhuram Rochate. So actually there is no karta as such, right? It's just expression.
Karta. No. Karta will always be there. It might be hidden, but it
Okay.
will always be there.
So
And karta is there.
Madhuram Rochate, it will be okay. What will be
So
there?
let me ask another question, right? If I change Madhuram to Madhurani, what will be the sentence?
Okay, Rochante it will be then.
So who is the karta here?
Okay, that Madhuram is the karta. He's driving the kriya, but okay.
Yeah. So here the karta is Madhuram. So we see,
Right.
Balak is eating, but he is not the karta. The karta is Madhuram. Balak is the receiver of the Madhuram. Balak is the
It's a
receiver
passive
of the
voice, no?
Madhuram.
Balakaya, passive voice.
No, it's not passive voice.
Akarmak vakya.
No. Rochte is a karmak. Rochte is a karmak. So karta is Madhuram. So and the Balak is the receiver of that of the action, receiver of the fruit of the action. So what is the fruit? What is the action here? Likeness or savoring. And who is the receiver? Balakah. So
how does that translate?
The boy liked the sweet.
Sure.
Translate you like English, you say that like that. See, because see, the thing is that English is limited, right? English, the way to do the way to express your emotions, you have less medium in English. In Sanskrit and in other our Indian languages, you have more medium to express the emotion, but you don't have that facilities in English. I mean, in English, you don't even have name for relationship, right? They call aunt to everyone. So the language where you don't, I mean, the language where they can't come up with the name for relationship, you can't expect more. So, but when you translate to English, you have to translate like the boy like the sweet.
So Deepak Mohoday, the word here is the rochate hai.
Rochate is kriya, Mohoday. Rochate is kriya.
No, what is the original, the pratipadikam of rochate?
No, रोचते पाठ्यपद का नाम होता है रोचते धातु अस्ति रुच धातु
धातु, because it's a kriya padam, dhatu asti. So dhatu rupam itself is rochate or just rochate?
No. Ruch.
Ruch.
Ruch dhatu. It's like rochate, rochete, rochante. Like lab. Labe, labhavahe, labhavahe, labse, labte, labde, labte, labete, labante.
Oh
So
my God.
it goes like that. We haven't read it Arpanepadi so far. We'll start Arpanepadi after one from I think from April. From April beginning, we'll have whole April for a whole April month. We are going to do Arpanepadi Dhatu whole class.
And May is the final exam, right?
May will be the no. I think it's June. I think.
No, May. It is written in the initial prospectus. It is written
May, is it? Okay, then May. Then
because July
it will be May then.
starts.
Then May. May will be the final exam.
I was going through the schedule. So May is the final exam.
So in Abhyas, what you can do is rest from 140 to 147. We have done practice till 140. You can do the rest. And if you have any doubt, we can discuss in next class. अस्तु. अवधूत भवान् पठतु मङ्गलश्लोका.
आं महोदय. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ तत्सत्. नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः. पुनः मिलामः. धन्यवाद
नमो
महोदय.
नमः.
धन्यवाद.
नमो नमः.
धन्यवादः.